Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the exact project you want to share. Tap the creative link icon in the Export or Share toolbar to begin. This generates a reusable package. Make sure layers are clearly named and grouped so collaborators can follow your structure. Once done, choose whether to include assets or reference them remotely. Including assets makes the link portable, while references keep the file size small. You'll see size and dependency info. Review it before you proceed to the next step. Now configure what the creative link will contain and why it matters. You choose specific assets, images, audio, fonts, so collaborators get exactly what they need. Next, set permissions. Pick view only if you want to protect your original, or allow import/edit so others can adapt the project. Add a clear description and tags to explain purpose, and set an expiration or privacy setting if you want limited access. Make deliberate choices here. They control collaboration and file portability. Finally, share the creative link using a direct link, generated QR code, or the platform sharing options. You tell the recipient to tap the link to preview and then import it into their Alight Motion app. Imports recreate the project structure if assets were included. After import, verify layers, linked assets, and timing. Make sure fonts and external files loaded correctly and relink anything missing. Troubleshooting tip. If assets fail, re-export with assets embedded and resend the link to eliminate missing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.